We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8850. We've been getting a replaced drum error, so we're going to show you how to replace that drum and reset that drum counter so that you get rid of that error message. It's a really simple process. First thing you want to do is actually, in this instance, you want to make sure you leave the printer on. And then we're going to bring down the front door in order to access the toner and the drum. We're going to pull out the toner tray. Once it's out, you'll see this little blue lever here on the left side of the printer. You're going to push that over, and then we're going to grab these blue handles on the front and back, and we're going to lift and pull the drum out of the machine. Once you have the drum removed, you'll unpack your new drum, and then you'll take out all your toners and replace them into your new drum. Once they've all your toners have been switched into your new drum, we're going to reinstall the drum, or install the new drum rather. So you're going to want to start at an upward angle, set the tray in, and you won't be able to push the tray all the way in until you push this blue tab back down. We're going to slide it back into the machine, and now we can close the cover. So now we've replaced the drum, and now we need to reset the drum counter so that the printer actually knows that there's a new drum inside the printer. So we're going to give it a second to initialize. Once it's done initializing, we'll go through the steps in order to actually reset that drum counter. It only takes a second or two. There we go. So now that we're back to the regular screen, you're going to touch the settings button at the top right of the screen, and you're going to use all settings. And now you're going to use the arrow keys to scroll down to find machine info. And again, you're going to go down to parts life and select parts life. And instead of clicking on anything on the screen, you're actually going to want to go to the right side, just past the home button and the return button, and just touch this blank space over here for about a second to bring up the number pad. And you're going to press and hold the pound sign until a message comes up on the screen. It only takes a few seconds. So now it brings up the reset menu. It'll ask you drum or belt. You're going to hit the drum, which is going to take you to the next screen. It's going to ask you to replace drum. You're going to hit yes. And then just like that, you've now replaced the drum and reset the drum message inside the printer so the printer knows you have a new drum inside of it. And you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.